bird over there. Some kind of bird. I don't know what. ये झाड़ के अंदर है. See yellow butterflies, light yellow. I don't know which ones they are. कितने चंचल है वो. बहुत उड़ जाते हैं. आते ही नहीं वीडियो में.
You see the monkey? See Mowgli? संभाल उधर से ऊपर से बगैरा आ जाएगा.
बगीरा आ जाएगा. चलो चल के ऊपर चढ़ जाओ क्या? ऐसी भी बंदरिया वो आती थी. ये काय का झाड़ है? I think it's a tamarind tree.
कहाँ है tamarind?
tamarind ऊपर रहेगा पता नहीं. ऐसा लग रहा है.
tamarind मैंने नीचे आ जाओ ना.
हाँ.
tamarind नीचे तो नहीं दिख रहे.
बजाते रहते सीटी. सीटी तो यहाँ पे बर्ड्स बजा रहे हैं और मैं अभी सीटी बजेगी. You wanna sit, Shaman?
I want to sit, but I want Papa to sit first.
Why not? Why can't you sit also? Go and sit on the tree. Go.
I want to sit on that.
ये नेस्ट है क्या ये सब इतना सारा?
क्या मालूम?
Oh my God.
नहीं नहीं नेस्ट नहीं है. हाँ अरे नेस्ट
हो
है.
सकता है.
हाँ झाड़ पे देखो कितने सारे नेस्ट है. क्यों बंद करूँ?
चलना पब्लिक को क्या दिखाती है मेरा प्राइवेट चीजें बंद कर.
मैं झाड़ पर चढ़ी हुई.
हाँ कैसे चढ़ी?
पता नहीं. मैं बंदर हूँ इसलिए.
आप भी बंदर हो? ओह आप बंदर फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हो? आपको बंदर फैमिली देखना है? ये देखो.
आई एम एक्सेप्शन.
ओके आई एम अ बंदरिया. हाँ, मैं ऐसी झाड़ों पे चढ़ा करती थी. बंदरिंग. चलो. See there's a parrot on this tree and it is here. You see this parrot?
Oh, now I see it finally.
See it's there near the fork.
Oh, it's adorable little thing.
See? You saw now? I was telling you there are parrots on this tree. See, there is just one above your head. You're fine.
मैं तो इधर ही हूँ. Yeah, this is the place where they sit and they all do all those things. All that thing, including the antisocial elements. And this is the place and this is the thing and that ऐसा पूरा ये है. वो जो वॉचमैन जो है यहाँ पे ऐसा ये सब है. And that from there you come there this side and that is all the tech और ये देखो क्या पी रहा है. चिलम पी रहा है. चल.
See whom we found over here. Land turtle. ये देखो. और डर मत भाई, डर मत, मेरे से मत डर. ये बाबा जितना ही है. ये ढिंगली जितना ही है ये. नहीं छोटा है ना ढिंगली. नहीं नहीं ढिंगली इतना ही था. Bye bye. See you darling. Bye. बाहर निकल. हाँ कोई नहीं कुछ करेगा. जा. 1 2 3. मैं भी करूँगी. मैं भी करूँगी. ऐसा तू अकेला कर सकता है क्या?
मैं भी करूँगी.
हाँ. मैं भी करूँगी।
शमन ना टाइट पकड़ना उसको शमन। तेरा दे।
मैं अभी मैं करूँगी। ये पकड़ो पकड़ो।
शमन ना।
ये मेरा टर्न है। This is how you मेरा
मोटा मोटा मत पकड़ना, छोटा छोटा पकड़।
रुक 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 रुक
ऐसे छोड़ दो, लूज कर लो और हाथ टाइट करो। हाँ,
डर लगता है।
डर नहीं लगेगा, करो।
समझती नहीं हो मेरा प्रॉब्लम।
शमन, शमन, don't do it. Let her do it on her own way.
This right here is Mithi river. You wanna see it properly? What is my daughter doing? उसको झूला करने में मजा आ रहा है।
See, that watchman sleeping.
ये वाला जो ट्री है ना, इस पे बैट्स दिखेंगे। क्यों मालूम है? तो ये जो सीड्स दिख रहे हैं ग्राउंड पे रेड कलर के, ये ट्री पे ना बैट्स आते हैं। दिस इज वेयर दे ड्वेल, दे लिव। I don't know the name of the tree, but I just know that these are the seeds which you will find over there. जहाँ पे सब herbs है यार, सब के सब herbs है। Yeah, if you want to take, you can take the seeds. You know, you can make it into beads also, Shami.
That's what I want to do.
You can drill it and you can make it into beads. Yeah. Yeah, you can drill it. तो beads बनाएगा कैसे? It doesn't have holes. You have to make the holes. Let me see what is there. Which I was talking about, which has red bead-like seeds fallen on the floor, and where bats reside. It's called Ratan Gunj. It's a red bead tree. It's written over here.
I love you. Here.
See, she is our guide.
ये कॉर्क का झाड़, ये होता है ना, जो बॉटल्स को कॉर्क लगाते हैं ना, वो है। हाँ, इसके अंदर से निकलता है ये देखा ये। Now in a nursery, okay, you can buy plants starting from 15 rupees to I don't know what. So I'm just looking at the plants and seeing if I want to buy anything or not. Okay, let's see. Knotted Jathropa, Chameli, Marigold, Jaswand. Nice plants. Let me just check. Tagar, Balsam. Okay, and Chini Gulab, China Rose. Okay, China Rose. I know this. Mogra. Ixora. Mogra. Yeah. What else? Pentas. Sadafuli. Sadafuli. What else is there? Oh, I know this plant. No, this is Gokarn. Butterfly peas. And this is, I forgot the name. क्या नाम है, भूल गई. इसका नाम क्या था? नहीं, पंडुनास, एलमेंडा, जाई, मैक्सिकन पेटूनिया. हाँ, मैक्सिकन पेटूनिया. यार इतनी बड़ी डिक्शनरी है दिमाग में, भूल जाती हूँ कभी कभी. जाई. गणेश बेल. गणेश बेल है कहाँ भाई? दिख ही नहीं रहा. गणेश बेल. कृष्ण कमल, वो भी खाली पड़ा है. आई डोंट वांट कृष्ण कमल, आई हैव कृष्ण कमल. कलकत्ता अगैव. वेयर इज अगैव? वेयर इज अगैव? आई डोंट सी अगैव. ओ इसका तो मायाड़ू. मायाड़ू, दैट इज मायाड़ू. तुड़स, तुलसी. व्हाट इज दिस? medicinal plants. Gurmar. Dhotra. Oh, this is dhatura. You see those dhatura fruits? This is dhatura fruits. Oh, magai pan. This is pan. Shaman, this is pan. So I tried one pan. Long pepper. तिखा था यार, तिखा. तिखास वाला था, तिखास वाला. You see that? Touch me not. Did touch it? Touch it.
Oh God, it's moving.
Yeah, it will
It's a little
close.
touchy.
Yeah, it doesn't like to be touched. It's
I
called
touch it.
lazadu. Touch me not. पुदीना.
I am going to.
Oh, I want this. क्या बोलते हैं यार ये अपना? Shaman, this is used for hair oil. This is for hair growth. I don't want try like that. I'll buy it. ब्राह्मणी. ब्राह्मणी बोलते हैं इसको. अच्छा ये नीर ब्राह्मणी है. अच्छा water ब्राह्मणी. I don't have this. I think I'll get this one. I like medicinal plants. Adursa. What is this? I don't know what is this. Oh, I had this. Big insulin plant, yeah. I had this. Black pepper? Where is black pepper? Gayab. Oh, perinde. This is used for spinal something. हस्त जोड़. हाँ, हस्त जोड़. लहसुन बेल है. अच्छा अच्छा, लहसुन बेल. गार्लिक वाइन. गुड़वेल. गुड़वेल. Gunj. Hey, Gunj. Hey, this one is that one, you know, with black and red seeds. This is Gunj. Dama ki veil. Dama ki veil. Surpin. I don't know what is this. Chitrale. Bringraj. This is also used for hair oil, for hair growth. Oh, I find this everywhere where I go. What is this? Punarnava. Oh, this is Punarnava. ये तो मेरे वॉक्स पे दिखता है मेरे को. पुनर्नवा इतनी जगह पे दिखता है ये. It has tiny, you see this? So tiny flowers, purple flowers. I see it everywhere. Birophyllum. Okay. This is also, this is pan footy. This is used for kidney stones. चलती फिरती डिक्शनरी हूँ मैं. Plant dictionary. This is madar, rui. Acha, this is the same plant used for, oh, this is the same plant used for attracting butterflies. निवादुंग. शेर. हम शमशेर है. तुम शेर हो तो हम शमशेर है. This is pinwheel. This is called pinwheel. ये. और ये क्या है? विटेक्स. हाँ, ये भी मैंने बहुत देखे हैं विटेक्स प्लांट. This is everywhere.
Will it really spin? Look, I'm trying to spin.
Huh.
Touch me not, touch me not. And why touch me not? If you touch it, look at goes inside. I'll show you again. I touch this. Look, it's going inside. And then I touch it again. Oh, look. It's so much fun. When I touch it,
See something? See this tiny flower? How tiny this is. See this? This is so tiny, tiny, tiny. This is plumango. Plumango.
Mama, look, cactus.
अरे ये इसमें
माझं काही टेन्शन नाही गं, मला कोणी बी सांभाळू शकते. मी पोरी पोरं भाऊ.
Who are you, buddy? Look at that. So cute, right? This is a red psychic nut tree or plant, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. First time heard about this plant. Oh, it has such pretty tiny flowers. Look at that. Can you see this? Oh, so cute. And these are its seeds. So tiny. Kind of an ant or something. I don't know what is this, but it's cute. There's an eagle sitting over there. You see this? See this? Ah. These are bottles. They are shaped in the form of a butterfly, and then some plants are grown in there, like Torinia and Mexican petunia. You see this Torinia in the center and Mexican petunia in the sides. So pretty, right? So nice. It's a beautiful nursery actually. I found so many plants, but I didn't feel like buying anything. I don't know why. Oh, huge papaya. Papaya. So many things. Wow. This huge nursery. Such a big nursery. Right now I don't feel like buying any plants. I'll be buying plants from here later on. Not right now. Right now I'm not in the mood to buy any of the plants. I feel they should be here itself. They'll grow well over here. See this? So many of them. There is more over there. There's more over here. There's more over that side as well. But, oh, let me just see those roses. I feel like seeing those roses. देखो तो. I'm standing below a golden shower tree. Shower on me. See, there are flowers inside. Oh, geranium. Geranium roses. There's geranium over there. Let me go and check those. Geranium. Never seen the shade of what's this called? Bougainvillea. Never seen it. Is it bougainvillea or something else? It's bougainvillea, yeah. So pinkish purple. So nice. See the squirrel? Look at that. Naughty one. What is she searching for? I think she's searching for food. भाग गई कहीं की, स्क्वायर कहीं की. नहीं 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 नहीं, वापस आई वापस आई वापस आई वापस आई. ગાંડી છે ગાંડી છોકરી. ક્યાં ફરે છે કોને ખબર. ચાલી ગઈ. Look at this moth. चला गया. कोई बात नहीं, कहाँ जाएगा दूर दूर तक. मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे आऊंगी. नहीं जाने दे, इतना भी पीछे नहीं आ सकते. हाँ काका बोल, तुझे क्या चाहिए? What you are seeing is a small butterfly. Okay, yeah, that is the blue mormon butterfly. That's the state butterfly of Maharashtra. It's quite far. I'm not sure if you can see it. अरे एक जगह बैठ तो सही. ततर 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 चलते जा रहा है.
Beautiful they are.
So beautiful, right?
They're drinking the nectar.
Yeah, it's pickweed. It's a weed, shaman. We see it even in Virar. When I go on my walks, I see this same plant. No wonder there are so many butterflies over there. I start going in the morning now. Again, my morning walks. Such a big butterfly also. Such a big one.
Big.
Yeah, and there are 3 butterflies. There's a one yellow one. This tiger butterfly.
Grow this plant.
Huh?
Grow this plant.
No, we don't grow this plant. This is a weed, shaman.
Wow.
This is a type of a daisy. It's called tree dex daisy.
I know, but it's a weed. What's the problem? You can still grow it.
See, weeds have a weeds क्यों नहीं grow करते मालूम है? Because they'll take over all the other plant space. That's the reason why they are called weeds.
Look at the butterfly.
I think this is a blue mormon, shaman.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It is some other.
It is blue colored.
No, it's something else. I'm telling you.
It's okay, whichever one it is.
But
It's
it's
beautiful.
beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Hi, butterfly. I'll give you some cheese, butterfly.
Now we eat only butter. That is why we are called butterflies.
So beautiful, beautiful. कितना वाला है? हेलो कितना क्लोज आया वो वाइट येलो वाला क्यूट है. कितना सा है? और
पूरा
दूसरा
पूरा
वाला कितना?
फ्लावर नीचे चला जा रहा है, फिर भी वो छोड़ नहीं रहा है उसको.
आपके जैसा है.
मेरे जैसा ना बटरफ्लाई. Wait, don't go near. Don't go too near to it. Where it went away?
It's over there. pollen.
Nectar.
This was the jackpot butterfly. Eagle. Eagle.
It's the most beautiful butterfly.
Eagle. Thank you, Eagle, for giving me. Eagle circle around a lot.
There is this
Round and round and round and round.
tiny butterfly also, small one.
Hello, butterfly, 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 easy fly, easy peasy fly. Hello, butterfly. Oh, hi. It's so patient. Because its doctor is not here. It's like they're kissing the
Oh, it came so near me. The tree decks daisy, and the butterflies are somewhat, attracted to this plant. Called aghada. I see this quite often. It's called aghada. Even I see this one as well. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? काल मेघ, अक्कल काड़ा, अक्कल काड़ा. So many plants. This is अक्कल काड़ा, and this is काल मेघ. Which one is Kal Megh? I don't understand which one they are calling Kal Megh. I see this plant so often on my walks. It's called Aghada. Aghada. This is Wad, Khas Khas. This is Akkal Kada, I think. This one. This, my friends, is Gotu Kola, Brahmani, and it is used for hair, growing hair. Hair growth, black hair. This is Brahmi, Neer Brahmi, matlab water, the Brahmi that grows in water. Oh, it has flowers. It's flowering right now. So beautiful flowers. This is red passion flower. See, Krishna Kamal, Lal Krishna Kamal. See here, there are more flowers. See this fire ant or ant, whatever it is. We were eating pizza and the ant, and I just threw away the chili because I don't eat chilies. So this ant is taking away that that chili. Can you believe it? See how heavy it must be for the ant. There's a pond over here, and these are tiny fishes inside. Oh, no, don't run away. Oh, Setur ka jhad. That's mulberry tree, Lucinia.